So last week, Monday through Thursday, we had an ice storm. And this week so far, we are on day 2 of our rainstorms. And we have a ton of water. Like it is flowing. And I've mentioned this in previous videos about how we're trying to improve our drainage because we have a lot of work to do. I can see that the rain has washed all of the leaves in the yard down against this fence, and then it's pooled all around here. Hi everybody, welcome to Haven on Earth. Today is a super exciting day. Billy, the guy who built our house, we hired him to come over and install our electric to the house and our ceiling. We had planned to do the ceiling ourselves, but it was proving to be challenging and we had purchased the wrong material. So he came over yesterday and then he went and picked up the correct materials and installed it today. So let's take a look. How's it going? So this is going to be the trench for the electrical?
Yeah.
How deep does it have to be?
I'm hoping not very.
You're hoping not very?
Not very. That's deep enough for me. That conduit go in there. I ain't going no foot. There's too many rocks. Like this, I can't even budget. It won't move.
I know, I came across those for the drainage ditch.
This one, not needed.
It's going to go in those pipes?
Yeah. So it's protected from the weather.
Are those plastic pipes?
Yes.
And
Conduit.
and the conduit goes inside?
Conduit goes underground. The wire goes into conduit.
Oh, that's conduit. And just in digging that trench, he had to dig up some pretty big rocks. This morning, Jason was busy digging out this trench for the conduit, which is that plastic pipe to go in the ditch. And then the electric wires will go through that into the house and into our electric pole. This is what the finished electric work looks like. The electric wires are ran through the conduit or the plastic pipes and then into our breaker box or electric pole. And the trench was dug out to protect them from the elements, rain, etc. And then that pipe runs into our house. And this morning, most of this was underwater, like I showed you yesterday. And the goats refused to cross it to get over to where their hay bale usually is. So I've been digging out trenches, trying to improve our drainage situation. And look at that, here comes Abigail. Trying to figure out if she wants to cross it or not. Good job, guys. I've been digging out as many leaves as I can, which has really helped improve the flow of the water. That's draining much faster than yesterday. And it's quite muddy. It looks like they might be contemplating making the jump. What you think, Tinkerbell? Lucy? And that was the goal. I'm so glad they made it to their hay bale, or what's left of it. Our dumpsters have been stuck in the mud for over a month, so we hired Billy to drag them out. Ooh! Billy just left for the day, so let's go inside and take a look. So here is the view from the front door. We've been working hard on the walls. Jason, myself, and my mom's husband, Bob. And then Billy came today and did our ceiling. I had picked out white shiplap panels, 4x8s, and we got them from Home Depot, but apparently they were the wrong width or thickness. And so Billy came by last night and he picked up the correct materials today. And take a look. It is not trimmed out. He said that we need to finish the walls first. And I'm going to be painting it white, so it's nice and bright. But here's how things are looking with the ceiling up. And here is our bedroom with one wall almost completely finished. We moved the tub off of that wall where it's going to be going just to get it out of Billy's way. And we haven't started working on the walls yet until he can do the plumbing. But so far, here's a look at the bedroom. And here's looking towards the living room. Again, we moved the fridge off of the wall where it goes, but that was just to get it out of his way. And here's a look at the living room with the tongue and groove paneling that we've put up. And then our next steps will be to finish the walls. We weren't quite sure how the ceiling was going to turn out, so we didn't do that yet. And the electric is roughed into the house, but we're going to be installing the switches and the outlets. And then Jason will be installing the ceiling fans with lights. And then once he gets the trim done on the ceiling, then I'll be painting it white. We'll also be working on the kitchen walls, and I'm not sure if we're going to be doing shiplap or paneling or the tongue and groove. And then also on these two interior walls. And just an update on the plumbing. We did hire him to do our plumbing and do the septic repair. We just need to wait for it to dry out for him to be able to do that work. So these are the 4x8 shiplap panels we had purchased from Home Depot. But Billy said the thickness was too thin and it should be 3/8 inch thick. And Billy said it wouldn't hold the insulation and they would bow. Here's this afternoon's view from the back porch. And I would say it's looking pretty awesome. So our day started with digging out the electrical trench for Billy to hook up the electric. And then I dug out the drainage ditches and the wet weather creek to improve the drainage flow. I think we made some awesome progress. Billy put in the ceiling. We'll continue to work on the walls. And I'm not sure what's next, but it's going to be super exciting. I hope you guys have an awesome day and thank you for watching.